So there have been two instances when I've been in track days and cars have lost their ability to shift gears because of the ends of the gear linkage have popped off at the gearbox end. So this is the solution that you can find, and yeah, so this is the number if you want to purchase it, and if you want to copy it, it's 23 diameter there, it's 43 long, 35 wide, and the depth is 20-ish, and this gap here is 6, I would say. But what I did before is bought something similar. I think this is from a Renault. I'm gonna see if I can find it on what I bought on Amazon, or maybe I can put it in the video. You see it's slightly different, but then I started to compare. I tried to figure out how to use these because I was hoping it was the same, but then I'm like, no, it's not the same. So I ordered this, but now when I got it, yeah, it is not far off at all. And so what did I do? So I took this and so this here, you move these. Now all of a sudden it's much closer. So what I did, I grinded out a hole there and just drilled holes there, because then I can lock it in place by doing some sort of wire or something in between there. And so yeah, it's a little bit of work, but not too bad. And the price of this is like 10% of what this costs. But I'll try to find prices and the article number, and then you can replicate it yourself. I don't know how well it shows here because I can't get my remote to the camera to function right now. But here, this is the gear shifter. Here's the gear shifter, and the locking device goes over like this. Come on. There we go. doesn't go over there. There you go. So now it's in place. I need to get some steel wire thing here. I was actually thinking of taking a so let's see. This would work if I just bend it, or I'll do some regular copper wire or steel wire so it doesn't cut into the actual plastic here, because this might be a little bit too hard to be suitable. But yeah, so that's like a tenth the price of the Design 911 solution.